Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yes, no man, a pleasant good morning, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens and lions. Big up on yourself. A Lionfoot, you know, the man of pace. Well, I left my badge this morning through me a rush. School run and reach at work early, you know. But anyway, give thanks to life, health and strength to my viewers and subscribers. Give thanks to another day. Happy birthday to my virgin. Bumpy, big up yourself, you know. More life. Yeah, you know the next day of mine, though. Straight. Life are the greatest gift. Enough people don't live to see them birthday. Enough people don't live to see today. So we have to give thanks to life. Yes, man. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe, click the bell, you know. I am Lionfoot. Is it? I will say equality, diversity, equity, empathy, love, peace, unity, inclusion. So I say all of the good attributes then. Love is the way. Love is the order of the day. Yes, man. That's why I say thank you all for your continuous support. So in this episode, while I'm on my way to work, I'm not going to stay long still, but if you want to see me chip out, I'm going to use the voice without the face. See, but for now, as you can see me as you are, you see me? Yes, I come as I am. I forward as I am. Yeah, but so, we say, something I go on with coffee and that's the coffee session of Rasta. She eat meat and pork and all them things there. We need eyeglass, we see it? Anyway, tomorrow my song I release, you know, and happiest man. See in the video and the visuals on the song out tomorrow, see? Yeah. And also I'm going to talk about the two men that we see go viral. They said my gangster them face mask up and them talk to the journalists, the English journalists. Them youth that just get caught up in the system, you see me? Yeah, them just get caught up in the system. So first we'll talk about Koffee. Big up yourself, Koffee. Koffee I live her life. And you know, she's a top celebrity and everything she says is gonna go viral and people are gonna pick it up. You see me, we're in 2023 right now. Many people may not like how I'm gonna talk, but we say equality, live and let others live. Love people, them live them life. Every little thing, you see me? So Koffee do a look at interview and come on at the article. You see me, and we say quite a few people that talk about this conversation of Rasta. We don't need that conversation. Koffee is not Rasta. You see me? If Koffee was a real Rasta, she sing positive songs, yes, and some good, nice songs. You know what I mean? And she would go viral with the Grammy, everything. But if she was a real Rasta, pretty much, she would not go in depth certain way. Oh, you see me? She wouldn't even link with the gay brother where she do this song and the video with. The white brother over in England. She wouldn't go to that in depth. She wouldn't be grounds with them. So that we tell Uno and us, so Koffee is not a real Rasta. She have locks, like many people have them locks. You see me? But they never got deep into the Rastafarian business. And that's just my view. Koffee wasn't a real Rasta. She sing good songs, positive songs, yes. We can uplift people, but she never tell nobody say she really like the Capleton. Big up Capleton, Sizzler, them man, they burn them fire and live the Rasta life. I have some Rasta man. We live the Rasta life real and deep, you can't tell them nothing. You see me? This is the last year I hold a man in life. Yeah man, a Rasta, all of my family them are Rasta. Me have my locks. You see me? I'm cut my locks. Me eat my meat, me eat my chicken and my fish. You see me I say? I'm a veg and them things there, yeah. But equality, me say righteousness, born violence. But and your Rasta define, and your locks define, and your heart. You see me? And your heart define who you are. You see me? Just move forward back again, come here for cut right now. So you answer?
Babes, having you in my life is like a blessing from above. I enjoy and cherish every moment when we're making love. It's real. This is how I feel. Fucking you.
Yes man, so we're there again at a different location. You know, so I just say, you know, with Koffee. Koffee never said that she's a Rastafarian and she never portrayed that. You know what I mean? She never pick up the banner there. Even no disrespect to all protege them and them man. Them man they're gonna never live the Rasta life the real way. Not in a disrespectful way. But the man them a chant righteousness and say yeah, positivity, you know? But we don't see them go deep into the Rastafarian thing like again, Sizzler, Capleton. Who is trying to say? Mota Baruka. You know? So, you know, the pressure right up on Koffee, that's because she have the locks and people are judge her lifestyle, even though she still not come out and state her sexuality. See? And she not want any obligation to do that. When she feel the time is right, seal her. You know? But like Lila Ike now came out and yeah, set her conscience free. You see me? Yeah, man, so we live in our world now, we're at 2024, we're going to 2024 now. Hopefully we all live to see it. You see me? Things and time change, you can't dictate people's life. And like one time where, you know, when you're gay people, gay, you have to, lesbian, you have to hide and afraid for walk. Now people are open, even in Jamaica. See? And me can speak for myself, I travel many different countries, you know what I mean? And we can't tell a man to live them life or a woman to live them life. You just want to say, you will live clean, me I live clean. You see me? And we can, tell them, say, yo, that's not right. And them know say that's not right, but what? I feel them morals, what them choose, what them comfortable with. So how we if you tell them not to live them life like that, I will beat them and kill them. You see me? So, I just say, Koffee, big up yourself, you know what I mean? Yeah. See, Koffee is not a Rasta empress. So, people that try to force that upon her say she have the locks and a disgrace that. Koffee never come out and say she a Rasta. I call your sisters and them chant now your bingy and, you know what I mean? Beat the drum and them thing there. You never see Koffee beat her drum. You see it? So, that's basically what I say. So, I say, live and let others live. Love Koffee, she live her life. See? Enough Rasta eat meat. You see me? Enough Rasta eat the flesh. Enough Rasta. And I'm the buff. You see me? Yeah man, so that's basically me I say. Moving on now, we're gonna talk about the video went viral with the two youth, them two youth we talk to the journalists. These youth, I watch the video and I analyze it and I post it. Like when I see them youth I discuss it. These youth, them just get caught up in the system. Me born and growing in the system and see a lot of youth like them get caught up in the system. I nearly get caught up in the system. You see me? I have a song where I forward. Soon I'm going to tell you all about it. My life story in the garrison, you know? Yeah, but them youth just get caught up. As I hear mention that the MP, them are the problem. They make promises. And them set the rules. Them authorize who is the Don. You see me? Who are going to run the place? You get what I say? Viewers and subscribers, if I cut again and I forward again, different locations. See? But big up everybody on the platform, man. Life are the greatest gift, man. Live and love. That's what I say. Blessed love.
Oh yeah, babe. Your pussy comfortable. It not grumpy or miserable. Me say fucking you, girl. Fucking you, girl. Makes me the happiest man in this world. I wouldn't swap you for truth.
Yes, the man says another location again, another scene, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, so to the youths, them get caught up in the system, you know what I mean? No way out, never finish school. Because I start from schooling, you know. For them parents, could have never finish school, struggle, like my mother struggle, but, you know, you can be whatever you want to be. We're not saying use that as an excuse, we say, never go to school so them turn out bad. You see me? I never graduate. And my mother couldn't afford it. I'm going to work. Big up Jerome, wait. And the garden coach, you know. Charlie Smith. At them time there. I start playing business house football and can earn money and you know what I mean? And thing, but yeah. Them youth Jamaica get harder and harder and you know. No system, the system, them got caught up in the system. Them now have the mindset to go look at work. You see me? So them get nurtured and groomed in the badness thing. Man, you know, them get sent out to go do things till them start till them start kill. You hear the man say, yo, if them get $1 million, no, them take it. You see me? If them get $1 million, no, them take it. If you take it, you have 20 more man want $1 million for go mash the works. And that's how the system set. Right now, you know, Do a man, you never know who will come for you. The other man can kick off, or a woman. And them just get somebody, hire somebody to come dirty. And the person will come dirty and never know you. I saw this thing set right now in Jamaica, which is not good. But them two youth away say talk to the journalists, them just get caught up in the system. As I hear him say, the MP them powerful, and them control the thing, them give them the gun them, and all of them something there, you know? And them youth they know, I don't know, I wish area that I have, but I mean I want to know neither. But them mask up, but the other thing we say them vice natural, them vice should have disguise them vice, you know? And maybe people will suss out them vice and them shape as well. And you can get your shape, you know, your figure can identify you to a certain extent, you see me? Yeah. And your mask, right now them have technology where you can use to and take off your face, take off the mask off of your face and prove say you see me? But Jamaica, I don't think Jamaica reached them levels there yet still, but you know the main topic of this, I beg the youths them, you know, the youths them at Jamaica. We know no must see the video because it went viral. You see me? Just think before you act. See? Think before you act and stop the crime. Please try lower the crime, you know? Me can't tell you no if you look at me, can't go to 100,000 or a 10,000 or 50,000. Because you see me? My thing that said so, I still try to make ends meet. So me can't tell a youth, especially from my garrison, say don't go rap, don't go thief, don't go kill. We can't talk to them, yes, but as me say, each to their own decision, you know, uprise, don't fall. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, my kings and queens, my line. So now I've said what I've said. Let me know what you're thinking in the comment section, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, you know, the man of peace, I would say give thanks to life, health and strength, man. Love is the way, love is the order of the day. Yes, it, your sight. Alright. Big up everybody on the platform, festive season. So me I say, I love and respect, man. Live and let others live, man. Don't try to dictate nobody's life and tell nobody what them can and enough to do. You see me? Don't force them. You can advise them and try counsel them. Or, you know, but you can't tell them. If they want to do it, then do it and live them life, but they want to live them life. You don't have to deal with them if they want to live them dirty life or whatever life or whatever. You don't have to deal with them. You see it? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Alright? Blessed love. Big up Koffee.
I wouldn't swap you for Ruby. I wouldn't exchange every pearl. I love it when you back it up and dash it out, give me for real.